charity relief giveaway. Everybody was supposed to be here at 3. And here we go. Thank you so much for coming. And also we are so grateful for all the donation that is coming in. And I wanted to be transparent to everybody. You guys, oh my God, I could not believe how grateful we are to you. The donation, it was amazing. We collected 80,000 pesos all together. Therefore, we were able to buy a lot of stuff for all the people that were affected in that Typhoon Tino. And every single one of them, they are very, very, very grateful.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Sa Dolores Ward sang atag sa amon sang bugas. Kapag facilitate sang dirisyon. Thank you very much.
Kami nagpasalamat din sa mga tao na naluoy kag nag-donate sa aton. Kag kini dako kag pasalamatan namo na kahit paano sa 3 ka adlaw makalibre kami sa aton pagkaon. Thank you so much to all the donated person. Thank you. We have typhoon that is coming in. Another typhoon is coming in. The name is Juan. Right now, I was hoping that he's gonna hold off, not rain yet, but anyway. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you, Ricky, Isaac, the Maguire, Kids, Goat's Milk Soap, Nancy, Manners, David O'Brien.